What's going on, guys? Bijan here. So I'm having this channel's first live stream Monday, May 10th at 6 p.m. Pacific. In this live stream, I'm going to ask some automotive trivia and some general trivia questions, and the first person to answer it correctly in the live stream chat, I'm going to give them 20 bucks. Now, I am announcing when this live stream is happening. I'm going to do that for the next few live streams, and then after that, I'm going to stop. The live streams are going to be then spread out randomly throughout the week. So those who are subscribed are going to have a massive advantage over everybody else who isn't, because they're going to get a little notification every time I pop up and go live. Now on to the news. If you want to know everything about the Lykan from Fast and the Furious going up for auction, stick around until the end of this video. Now, for those of you that don't know, this car was in Fast and Furious 7. If you remember the scene where everybody was at the party and Dom and Brian referred to this car as being trapped in a cage, a beast trapped in a cage. That car is the W Motors Lykan Hypersport. Some details about the car: it makes 780 horsepower and 708 pound-feet of torque. Wow! It makes that power from a 3.7 liter twin turbocharged flat six engine. What's so interesting about this car is W Motors made 17 of them. 7 of them went to customers, 10 of them went to Fast and the Furious. Now, 9 of them were destroyed during production, which makes this number 10 the last surviving stunt car. Now, in 2015, when this car was made, it was worth about $3.4 million. Now, it's going up for auction. I'm really curious to see where this car ends up selling, because you're not just buying a car. First of all, you're buying some history from when Brian was alive, when Paul Walker was alive. Second, it's being sold with NFTs, a new way of transferring ownership. Now, there is no denying this car looks absolutely beautiful and completely untouched. Now, when they say 9 of them were destroyed, I would probably believe it. Cars in action movies usually end up getting completely destroyed beyond repair, beyond fixing, beyond salvaging. It is not only very cool to see that this car is going to go to a prospective buyer, but a piece of history from Fast and Furious is going to go with it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think this car is going to go for, but I'm just going to take a random guess. I think if this car originally came out at $3.4 million, it should probably go up quite a bit with the Fast and Furious history that's going to come with it. You guys think it's going to land in like the 3 million range, 4 million range, maybe even more than that? Now, that's going to be it for the news. I'll see you guys on the next one.